to proceed, and it's a great honor for me to introduce Professor Dr. Gabriela Teodorescu for the second time already, and she is today about to deliver her inaugural speech on the Day 8 theme devoted to the Mountain Sustainability, Renewable Energy and Sustainable Development Goals. And Professor Gabriela Teodorescu, she is the full professor and the head of Valahia University of Targoviste, and the head of the Research Center for Natural Resources of the Department of Environmental Engineering in Romania. And as I already mentioned, it's a great pleasure to see you here again. And I will be looking forward to meeting you in person one day. So
hopefully. Okay, thank you very much for your nice presentation. And I really hope to see you in person here in my city and also in my university. So I represent Valahia University of Targoviste, which is the first capital of Romania, nearby Bucharest. So we have a long history here and tradition in education, because here in my city was created the first school and was printed the first book in East of Europe. So you can imagine that we have a long history and tradition in education. It's my great pleasure to be here for the second time as a partner in this mountain summer school. And thank you, Dr. Hasrat, for this opportunity to keep us as a partner in all this work and in all this effort to promote mountains area, to promote sustainable development, and to promote, why not, the good quality of life. It's my pleasure to send the university staff greetings, the rector greetings, my colleagues greetings. I have also a few colleagues which will have some lectures during the summer school. So it is a great honor for us to be here, to be in the line with other universities, institutions or centers which are involved in this subject, very important for everybody, sustainable development. And also, I think one of the key in this success is education, because I'm coming from the educational system. I have to say that education is the key to promote all the principles for sustainable developments. About my university, Valahia University, Valahia is the name of the region. So we represent here the whole region, Valahia. We try to make important steps to improve the education in sustainable development and environmental engineering. Created a lot of programs of study. I have to say that Valahia University have 10 faculties, and 6 of them have in the programs, in the study programs, courses about sustainable development, environmental engineering, environmental protection, or renewable energy. So we try to be a good actor and the important actor to promote this kind of education. Also, my university, Valahia University, manage a huge research institute, technological and multidisciplinarity research institute, and the main topic of this research institute is renewable energy. So we provide our own energy because we use panels. The whole institute is covered by the solar panels, and also on the top is a system for aeolian energy. So we try to create energy for us and for our neighbors also. I have to say that Valahia University have the certification for green university, and yes, and in the whole world, my university have the place 240. So you can imagine from 1,000 universities and institutes which are participating in this ranking. Valahia University is somewhere in the first 400 universities. And this ranking is made through the number of programs of study which provide education in sustainable development, and also in the entire surface for green, because we have a huge and beautiful campus. And with this campus, we want to show that the sustainable and green environment is much better than other way. So I have to say that Valahia University is it's important actor on this market. Let's say to the green energy, the green environment. It's actually it's a market. Everything is a market, and also we try to be one of the best universities who implement the research in green energy. We have in this moment 2 Horizon 2020 projects. We coordinate 2 Horizon 2020 projects in our university with this topic, renewable energy and sustainable development. So I have to say that our role it's done. And in present and also in the future, because we still prepare new generation. We have a faculty of environmental engineering where I'm full professor, and I teach there about sustainable development, biodiversity, and of course about wine and wine biodiversity. And probably in my lecture in next Sunday, I will speak something about this topic. Also, I have to say that we are part in a few consortium, international consortium. Also, this consortium promote also sustainable development, sustainable environment, and try to keep beside us and to attract beside us a lot of students which are working in this field. And also, we try to improve the education for sustainable agriculture, because also we have a specialization for mountain agriculture. So mountain sustainable development is very close subject to us. And we prepare every year a new generation of specialists in this area. So as I said, education, it is a key, and depends on us to use in the right way this key to improve the education, to bring much more young people in this area, and to make them to understand that the quality of life, of course, depends on the good technology, but in first depends on the good environment. To have a clean environment, to use clean water, to use clean resources, to manage all the in very well way all the resources. So it's our job, it's our role to improve this education and to make a lot of people, young people, and not only to understand that environmentally it is the key. At the end of my speech, I'm sure that during this week we will learn a lot of things because all the speakers are prepared in this way. I think this summer school, it is something like a bridge between all of us to share our experience, to share our knowledge, and why not to make new partnerships, new collaboration, and maybe together we will have much more impact in political sector, in economical sector, and to make understand the people which are involved in this sector that it's much better to keep a clean environment than to prepare a new one. Thank you very much. And at the end, I would like to wish to everybody good luck. And I'm sure that from tomorrow will be something like a knowledge marathon and experts marathon. So I'm sure that next Sunday or at the end of the summer school, everybody will be more rich and more how can I say, more happy to meet people with some new knowledge. Thank you very much. Good luck, everybody. Thank you for everybody, and see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for highlighting the importance of higher educational institutions and their role they're playing in developing and looking for and finding the proper solutions. So thank you very much. And we are really looking forward to the start of our school.
Yeah.
And this is where the knowledge sharing is about to start happening. And
Yeah.
that is a great instrument exactly to find the best ways and the best tools how to address all of the pressing issues of today. Thank you so much.